Do you want more material moving, more parts cut, and more production flow with less manpower and no machine interruption? Meet the Model 43 work cell. Built for cabinet parts, closets, doors, drawer boxes, drawer fronts, and more. This work cell is engineered for productivity, precision, and ease of use. You can build jobs off the machine so the router keeps cutting, or you can build them right at the machine if you need to. And when you want non-stop flow, the run list is an optional cue that keeps work moving. It lines up your CNC files and tracks quantity and how many are left, so your next job is always ready. This right here saves time fast. Material light guidance. Set up 3 lights, each aimed at a material stack, organized by type, thickness, or both. Whatever matches your shop. When the next sheet is needed, the correct stack lights up and the operator loads with confidence. And it gets even better. Labels and a printed sheet layout are automatically printed. The buttons on screen are there if you need to reprint. Here's the payoff. While the machine is cutting, the operator is labeling at the conveyor, so one person can handle both loading and labeling. As parts are removed at the end, and the end sensor advances the conveyor, keeping parts staged and the process moving. The Model 43 work cell, guided loading, optional job queuing, and automated labeling for a smoother, nested-based workflow.